Hey, so guys, but you know the game Pilot Training Flight Simulator, right? Well, Cedu Pacific, like it's not the real one. It's from the game. Well, they let me fly their plane, the Airbus A230neo. Oh my gosh, it's my first time. They let me even okay then, and they also let me fly the ATR 72 also. So have a enjoyable flight in here. So let's start from Perth to Ilusorani, or what do you call it? Never mind. Guys, you ready to fly with me? Well, let's go. So we're in Terminal 1. That is for the international airport. Just like in Wheeler International Airport. So it's just like it's just like for international guys. But it's good. So we're on a taxi. There we go. Straight in California. For the car, real money. This is for JR. Guys, you excited to fly with me? Okay, boys. Since there's not no airplanes coming to this runway, so I guess go here in runway 23. Okay, let's go! Whoa! Let's go! Here. We're going in raft stunting. I don't know what's raft stunting, but and now I'll just turn around to Isolorani. You can see here right. Here's all the snake flower so that I could make it to Isolorani. You guys see, if you know what's Isolorani, please check. Please tell me in the please tell me. Okay. Guys, I'm not going to land at Lake Light. I'm sorry, I'm going to land at Isolorani.
1,000.
But I don't know what's happening to this guy. That's okay. Guys, if you know how to rap, so is any pilot watching this, do you know how to fly on the Airbus 230neo? Okay, am I going to reach 20,000 feet altitude or something? I'm just too high. My game would crash anymore. Just stop here. Okay? Welcome to Al-Naha. Welcome to Al-Naha. Wait, it's Fat Skeleton. Welcome to... Okay guys, let's do this. Flaps. So this will make me slow down.
60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Retard, retard.
So guys, how was the flight? If it's okay, nice one, dude. Now I'm gonna drive the ATR 72. Like where are we in Rapscanton? Now we're going back to Perth International or in Luca. So what a nice being in Rapscanton, right? Yeah, so we'll park it right here, but we'll get back to the ATR. I've stopped the engine. So there's the AR-70, the Airbus. Now we're gonna drive the ATR-72, right? You know it, the ATR-72. Oh, let's go. So I'll just use the ATR-72 for my. I'll just use the ATR-72. I just got into it. That was stall. Dude, do not stall me. Dude, I'm going to get to that station right now. I'm gonna go to that station. Set up the flaps. This got is wrong. Yeah.
1,000,
Welcome to hour and a half.
500, 400, 300. Minimum 200. 100. 70, 60, 54, 30, 20, 10. Retard, retard.
Guys, I just got from Isolera. I just got my Isolera. guys, I'm gonna park right here so that I can try the ATR 72. So guys, how is the Airbus 230neo? So now we're gonna try the ATR 72. Now with the Cedu Pacific. Oh, it's it's blocking the road. Yeah, that's okay. It's a tasking. Like there's gotta be like that too or something. So there's one thing up real quick. Okay, so now we're going. This is where we're getting. And it's not. I don't want to get this on the laptop. At least Yeah. This is good. No, 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 no. It's not. It's not. Yes, you can. This is not like traps. The ATR 72 is now landing. Thank you. Today, here I'm now the ATR 72 international. So guys, if you have enjoyed before, please tell me in the comments. So please tell me in the comments, guys. That flight was so lovely. Guys, if you love the guys, if you love the guys, if you love the flight, tell me in the comments and peace.